transformation of one form to another form, drug will be converted from one chemical form to another chemical form. So in this drug metabolism, that is nothing but biotransformation of drugs. Biotransformation, transformation of drug one form to another form in bios, living organisms. That is nothing but called as drug metabolism. So in this drug metabolism, we are going to discuss about phase 1 reactions, phase 2 reactions, and factors affecting drug metabolism. See, biotransformation means chemical alteration of chemicals such as nutrients, amino acids, toxins, and drugs in the body. So these are all being converted from one chemical form to another chemical form. So these are the contexts. Introduction, drug metabolizing organs, drug metabolizing enzymes, drug metabolizing pathways, phase 1 reactions and phase 2 reactions, and factors affecting drug metabolism. See here, what happening in the body I have discussed in the previous class. When we have administered drugs, that should be absorbed into the systemic circulation through the small intestine or stomach, and then metabolism will be happening. Metabolism, every drug or food material that should be go to the liver having number of enzymes. So this is called here first pass metabolism we will call. So majority of the drugs and nutrients will be metabolized in the liver. Later should be entered into the systemic circulation, and then it will be distributed. After metabolism, drugs should be excreted. Excretion is the important mechanism. The drug action will depend on the excretion of drugs. When the drugs are detached from the receptors, and they should be excreted to the excretory organism. Otherwise, they will be reabsorbed and into the systemic circulation, and their concentrations will be increased. Then they will produce toxic effects. See here, phase 1 reactions that are functionalization reactions are acyclic reactions. Functionalization reactions are acyclic reactions. Example, oxidative reactions, reductive reactions, and hydrolytic reactions. Phase 2 reactions, these are conjugation reactions, also called as synthetic reactions, or true detoxification reactions. Phase 2 reactions also called as conjugation reactions or synthetic reactions or true detoxification reactions. Examples, glucuronidation, sulfate conjugation, conjugation with amino acids, acetylation and methylation. So these belongs to phase 2 reactions. See, the onset of pharmacologic response. Onset of pharmacological response. What is the meaning of onset? Sudden acute action. The onset of pharmacologic response depends upon two pharmacokinetic processes, that are drug absorption and drug distribution. The duration and intensity of action depends upon the rate of drug elimination. The duration and intensity of action depend upon the rate of drug elimination. This is the irreversible loss of drug from the site of action. See, observe two things: the pharmacologic response and duration and intensity of action. The pharmacologic response, that is depend upon the drug absorption and distribution. The duration and intensity of the action depends upon elimination. Elimination here. Elimination occurs by two processes, that are biotransformation and segregation. Biotransformation here, the change of chemical form, one chemical form to another chemical form, and excretion means elimination process, that is from the body. Biotransformation, that is nothing but metabolism of drugs, is defined as the conversion from one chemical form to another. The chemical changes are usually affected enzymically in the body. How the chemical moiety will changes? By the action of enzymes present in our body. Drugs are also xenobiotics. Xenobiotics. Other than the food particles are called as xenobiotics. Xenobiotics are exogenous substances. Enter the body by virtue of their lipophilicity. In the yesterday class, I have discussed lipophilicity of the drugs happens to absorption, process through the cell membranes. All chemicals, all chemical substances that are not nutrients for the body and enter the body through ingestion, inhalation, or by absorption or chemicals called xenobiotics or exogenous compounds. Either by ingestion through oral route or by inhalation or absorption, whatever may be the process, by this process, when other than nutrients absorbed, these chemical substances are called as xenobiotics. Renal excretion is a major route for exit of drugs from the body to prevent the toxicity. Renal excretion. Kidney filtration is going, glomerular filtration. So here the filtration is not there. Then what will happen? The drug moieties should be concentrated in body and the toxic effects will be produced. So the renal excretion is the major route for exit of drugs from the body to prevent the toxicity. The body is armed with the metabolic system which transforms the water insoluble lipophilic non-polar drugs into polar and water soluble products that can easily excreted by the kidneys and are fully reabsorbed. See, last class I have discussed here insoluble, water insoluble, lipophilic, non-polar drugs. These drugs should be converted into hydrophilic, that is water soluble products. They should be polar nature. Then only they should be excreted through the excretory organisms. Biotransformations, these are normally results in pharmacologic activation of drugs. Generally, example, conversion of pyridine to para-hydroxypyridine. Pharmacologic inactivation. Generally, whenever we have administered the drugs should be active drugs should be converted into inactive drugs after metabolism. For example, the conversion of pyridine to para-hydroxypyridine. Occasionally, metabolites with equal activity, equipotent activity. Even though we have administered a drug, after metabolism, they produce some metabolites. The metabolites also having the similar, same equivalent activity. In example, conversion of phenylbutazone to oxybutazone rarely leads to toxicologic activation of drugs. Conversion of paracetamol to reactive metabolite that can cause hepatic necrosis. Sometimes the drugs when we have taken after metabolism, the metabolite may be a toxic product. This is the example. Inactive drugs that are nothing but prodrugs may converted to active drugs. Prodrugs converted to active drugs. Examples: enalapril to enalaprillate. One more example: aspirin. Aspirin converted to salicylic acid. Aspirin is the prodrug. Salicylic acid is the active compound. See, natural endogenous substances such as neurotransmitters. These are called endogenous. They are available in our body. Dopamine, GABA, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and some steroids. Testosterone, progesterone, cortisol, and insulin are inactivated rapidly because of the body's well-developed system for metabolizing such agents. These are called soft drugs. మనం డ్రగ్స్ గురించి వింటాం. సాఫ్ట్ డ్రగ్స్, ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ హియరింగ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. సాఫ్ట్ డ్రగ్స్, hormones are enzymes which are available in our body. See that hormones released from organs within fraction of seconds, and they will be metabolized in a similar manner. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, మనకు ఒక్కోసారి ఎలర్జిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి, హిస్టమైన్ కానీ ఇట్లాంటివి రిలీజ్ అయినాయి. ఆ తర్వాత మనం ఒక్కోసారి ట్యాబ్లెట్ వేసుకుంటే కొన్నిసార్లు తగ్గిపోతుంది. అంటే పైన దద్దులాగా రావడం, స్వెల్లింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ మన నార్మల్ వీక్ కండిషన్స్ ఉంటే స్ట్రెస్లో అయినా ఉంటారు, బాగా స్వెట్టింగ్ కోపంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒక్కోసారి అనిపిస్తుంది. సమ్మర్లో బాగా ఫేస్ చేస్తాం. తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంటే అవి ఒకసారి మంచి అంటే మంచి ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఎక్స్పోజ్ అయినప్పుడు అవి పోతుంది, లేదా ఒక ట్యాబ్లెట్ వేసుకుంటుంది. జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే న్యూరో ట్రాన్స్మిటర్స్ కానీ అలాగే స్టీరాయిడల్ హార్మోన్స్ అనేవి రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ. దే కెన్ బ్రేక్ డౌన్, మెటబోలైజ్ ఈజీలీ. దట్ సిస్టమ్ వాస్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ. దట్ అవర్ సిస్టమ్ ఈస్ equipped with that enzymes. Otherwise, what will happen? If they are existing prolonged times, they will produce severe actions. See, drug metabolizing organs. Liver is the primary site for metabolism of almost all drugs. So, every drug that should be metabolized in the liver. Metabolism by organs other than liver is called as extrahepatic metabolism. See, metabolism by organs other than liver is called extrahepatic metabolism. See, phase 1, phase 2 reactions that may be happened in liver: oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and conjugation reactions. The decreasing order of the drug metabolizing ability of various organs is liver, bladder, lungs, kidney, intestine, placenta, adrenals, and skin. So, apart from the liver, metabolism also can occur in liver, kidneys, intestine, placenta, and adrenals. And also brain, testis, bowels, spleen. Small extent of metabolism will be happened in these organisms. Drug metabolizing enzymes. The enzymes that biotransform xenobiotics differ from those that metabolize food materials. See, the enzymes that biotransform xenobiotics, they are differ. Generally, when we have taken the food, that should be metabolized by some enzymes. But the enzymes which are required to metabolize the drugs are different from the enzymes which are going to metabolize the food products. They are versatile and non-specific. Microsomal enzymes and non-microsomal enzymes. These are two types. Microsomal enzymes, they catalyze the majority of drug biotransformation reactions. Example: oxidative reactions, reductive, and hydrolytic and glucuronidation reactions. These should be done by microsomal enzymes. Non-microsomal enzymes, they catalyze few oxidative reactions, a number of reductive and hydrolytic reactions, and conjugation reactions other than glucuronidation. Glucuronidation అక్కడ జరుగుతుంది microsomal enzymes. Other than glucuronidation and everything should be done by non-microsomal enzymes. See, enzymes are two types, that are microsomal and non-microsomal. Microsomal enzymes present in the rapid endoplasmic reticulum.